welcome back to my channel. Happy Monday, of course. Today's video is going to be a Monday motivational clean with me. This is going to be a power hour style video. So I'm giving myself an hour. I'm gonna set my timer on my watch and I'm gonna just get to cleaning. I'm gonna try to get done everything on my list that I have. My house is actually pretty decent, you guys. Shockingly, for it being the weekend and us being home. It's snowing today. I think it stops now, but we've pretty much had a winter storm hit us here in Illinois. The middle of spring, it was like 70 degrees 3 days ago, and here it is snowing. Gotta love the Midwest, gotta love Mother Nature. So I'm definitely have some downtime to clean up because the kids are chilling. It's been a chill day. So of course I gotta get my house cleaned up for Monday to get my week started. I'm also doing a collab on this video with That's Life Nikki here on YouTube. I will have her channel linked down below. She's also going to be doing a power hour as well. So if you need some extra motivation for this Monday, definitely head over there, check her out, tell her I said hello. And don't forget to subscribe if you're coming over from Nikki's channel. I would love to have you. Or if you're new and just finding me for the first time, hello. Join my family, hit that subscribe button. Without further ado, I'm gonna show you guys my list. We're gonna get right into this video. Let's get to cleaning.
Tonight we're running on the right track. I know we never gonna look back. Oh, I just wanna have a good time. Call me whatever, 'cause I'm up for anything like that. Oh no, we don't wanna do slow-mo, so tonight we just let go. To the beat in the streets, every freak out singing like. Told. But I don't mind even though I lose control. Oh, I just wanna have a good time, so call me whenever, 'cause a night like this, it never gets old. Oh no, we don't wanna do slow-mo, so tonight we just let go. To the beat in the streets, every freak out singing like.
Talk to me, it's what I want the most in my life. They say you're out of my league, but I don't give a damn. No, deep down I know you want it. You wanna take a leap and jump in. Oh, you wanna fall in love. You get me spinning, wouldn't it be awesome if you just kiss me slowly and had me in your arms? If I could make you see it, baby, we'd kiss something to make the starlight jealous up above. Oh, you make me up, hey, lights go out when I see you moving up, hey, like me up. I love when you groove the ways I'm making you smile. I know I am what you need, and boy, you're just my type. Deep down, I know you want it. You wanna take a leap and jump in. Oh, we're gonna fall in love. You get me spinning, wouldn't it be awesome if you just kiss me slowly and had me in your arms? Oh, you make me, oh, hey, lights go out when I see you moving. Oh, hey, light me up. I love when you go like that. Oh, hey, could be us kissing in the moonlight. Oh, hey, I'm just saying, if I was your girlfriend. Oh, 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 I'm just saying, if I was your girlfriend. Everybody else got it going on. Everybody else got it going on. Everybody else got it going on. Oh, 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 oh. Everybody else got it going on. Everybody else got it going on. Everybody else got it going on. You make me.
Did you pack the flashlight, the blanket, and the map? It's a real adventure, the trail you're looking at. I'm glad you came. For a while I thought you might be bailing. Is that the same yellow shirt you used to wear? But 1,000 years seem like almost no time now. This guitar right here, do you still remember how I played for you? I was crappy, but you sang along, and I thought you knew I could die to keep you near. We've got a fire in the tent. It's 5:30 a.m. Let's be the kids who left, get in trouble again. That stuff got nothing on you. That one's brand new, still it's got nothing on you tonight. I don't need to go over old and useless words. What you said, what I said, that might have made it worse. We're here again at the same spot where we kissed the first time. I swear my pain's far away, long gone by now. We've got a fire in the tent. It's 5:30 a.m. Let's be the kids who left, get in trouble again. That stuff's got nothing on you. That one's brand new, still it's got nothing on you tonight. We could get back to this, catching up what we missed, or we could just relive that summer night. For all I can, we can spend the firewood till it's end. Nobody's gonna force the morning. We've got a fire in the tent. It's 5:30 a.m. Let's be the kids who left, get in trouble again. That star's got nothing on you. That one's brand new, still it's got nothing on you tonight. We've got a fire in the tent. It's 5:30 a.m. Let's be the kids who left, get in trouble again. That star's got nothing on you. That one's brand new, still it's got nothing on you tonight.
All right, guys, that completes my power hour. I had to feed the kids. As you can see, they're eating. So I wanted to actually stick true to my power hour. I think I went like a couple minutes over throwing their load of laundry in. But other than that, I didn't get to the bathroom. I'll just do that once they go to sleep. I hope you guys enjoyed this video and got some motivation to get up and get your Monday started for the week. Also, don't forget to head over to Nikki's channel and tell her I said hello. Thank you guys so much for watching. As always, I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye. You guys say bye. You guys say bye.
Bye. I'm not doing that.
Okay. Bye, guys.